Steve Wozniak is an electronics engineer, programmer, and technology entrepreneur. Wozniak co-founded Apple with Steve Jobs in 1976, releasing some of the first personal computers on the market, and he's the inventor of the Apple II computer.
From high technology, the computer store, introducing Apple II, the easy-to-operate home computer. Just hook it up to your TV to create dazzling color displays. Or you can balance your checkbook. Kids can teach themselves arithmetic. Or the family can invent their own Pong games. The possibilities are endless. It's called Apple II, the personal computer. See it at High Technology, the computer store.
Wozniak attended the University of Colorado Boulder, and during his first year he was expelled for hacking into the university's network and sending prank messages on the university's computer system. Wozniak received his Bachelor of Science in Electrical Engineering and Computer Science from the University of California, Berkeley in 1987. Wozniak was never a star student in the traditional sense, but he had an aptitude for building working electronics from scratch. During his brief stint at the University of California, Berkeley, Steve Wozniak met Steve Jobs, who was still in high school, through a mutual friend, Roland Wayne. The two later paired up to form Apple Computer on April 1, 1976, which prompted Wozniak to quit his job with Hewlett-Packard. With Wozniak's knowledge of electronics and Jobs' marketing skills, the two were well suited to do business together. Ever since Apple went public, Wozniak and Jobs had been slowly eased out of power, and Wozniak took up flying as a pastime to help him ease the stress from new management at the company. Unfortunately, he crashed, killing almost everyone on board and led to some memory loss. In 1985, Wozniak left Apple. Wozniak had been having a rocky relationship with the company and his beliefs on the Macintosh being the future. Even his friend and co-founder Steve Jobs felt as if the Apple II was obsolete. After Wozniak left Apple, he went off to help start a new company called CL9. It specialized in developing infrared remote control devices that would be able to interface with household appliances. Unfortunately, he sold the company and then spent most of his time after that donating money to various charities. Currently, Wozniak is still in the technology business, working at a company called Primary Data. The company specializes in data management and IT infrastructure. He is part of the leadership called the Chief Scientist.